Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes, please. Come in and have a seat. Okay, so your name is Dani, right?
Yes, right, sir.
Very well. My name is IFTHAR. I'm the head of the Human Resource Department of the company.
Nice to meet you, sir.
How are you this morning, Dani?
I'm perfectly fine, sir. Thank you. And how about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. So, do you know what we are going to do, Dani?
Yes, sir. I was emailed and called by phone in order to have a job interview session from this company 3 days ago. So now here I'm going to be having an interview job session with you.
Did you attend some course?
Yes, right, sure. When I was in college, I had English training.
Very well. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Dani HERIAWAN. I am 90 years old. I graduated from Buana Perjuangan University. I took computer science as my major. I love traveling and swimming both improve by health mentally and physically.
Do you have any criteria for this job?
I previously worked in a network company here in Jakarta.
What makes you decide to apply for IT position?
I think IT is an appropriate job position for me. I find it attractive and interesting as well. Due to the computer science major I took, I am sure that my skill and talents will be.
Very well. So what your strength and weakness point?
My strength is my strong will to learn new strength, and my skill to work under pressure and as a team. My weakness is my phobia of dark.
Well, it was a great time to have a little talk with you, Danny. We will announce the result of your interview in a week. Thank you for your coming, Danny.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you.